When it comes to survival situations, having the right gear can make all the difference. That's why today I'm going to share 15 best survival gadgets you can find on Amazon. These are compact, reliable, and designed to help you stay prepared no matter where your adventure takes you. Let's get started. Number 1. Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit. A survival kit isn't complete without a dependable first aid set, and this one packs a punch in a small package. The Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit comes with 150 essential pieces, all tucked inside a waterproof EVA case. Measuring just 6.4 by 4.9 by 2.7 inches and weighing only 11.8 ounces, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere. Whether it's cuts, scrapes, or minor injuries, this kit ensures you're always prepared without weighing down your pack. Number 2. Bayite Ferrocerium Fire Starter. Fire is one of the most important elements of survival. It provides warmth, light, and a way to cook food. The Bayite Ferrocerium Fire Starter is a lightweight but highly effective tool that delivers reliable sparks even in wet or harsh weather conditions. Made of durable ferrocerium, it weighs only 2.46 ounces, so it's incredibly easy to carry. Unlike matches or lighters, it won't run out of fuel or fail in the rain, making it a dependable way to get a fire going when you need it most. Number 3. LifeStraw Water Filter. Clean drinking water is absolutely essential for survival, and the LifeStraw water filter is one of the most trusted solutions out there. It removes 99.99% of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, as well as 99.99% of parasites and microplastics. That means it protects against dirt, sand, and cloudy water, making almost any natural source safe to drink. It's lightweight at just 0.04 kilograms, requires no batteries or electricity, and is built with durable, BPA-free materials. Plus, it works in a wide range of temperatures, from 1 to 60 degrees Celsius, making it a versatile must-have for survival kits, hiking trips, or emergency preparedness. Number 4. Amazon Basics Waterproof Camping Tarp. A good shelter can be the difference between comfort and exposure in the wild. The Amazon Basics Waterproof Camping Tarp is a versatile piece of gear that can serve as ground cover, overhead shelter, or a protective layer for your gear. Made from durable polyethylene, this 8 by 10 foot tarp is fully waterproof and weighs just 0.68 kilograms, making it easy to carry while still offering excellent coverage. If you need shade from the sun, protection from rain, or a quick makeshift tent, this tarp is a budget-friendly and highly practical addition to your survival setup. Number 5. LuxoGear Survival Whistle. In survival situations, being able to signal for help is just as important as finding shelter or water. The LuxoGear Survival Whistle is a lightweight but powerful tool that produces up to 120 decibels of sound, loud enough to be heard from long distances. It's built with ABS plastic and metal, making it tough enough for outdoor use. Plus, it comes with a worry-free warranty and lifetime support, so you can rely on it for years. Compact and easy to carry, this whistle is a simple yet effective way to stay safe in the wild. Number 6. Good Worker Survival Pocket Knife. A pocket knife is one of the most versatile tools in any survival kit, and the Good Worker Survival Pocket Knife is designed with practicality in mind. Featuring a stainless steel blade with a liner lock system, it's secure, sharp, and durable. With an overall length of 7.17 inches, and a blade length of 2.95 inches. It strikes a balance between compact size and cutting power. The aluminum handle keeps it lightweight at just over 4 ounces, while the folding design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or pack. From cutting rope to preparing food, this knife is a dependable multi-tool for survival. Number 7. TurnOnSport Survival Compass. Navigation is key in the outdoors, and a compass remains one of the most reliable tools you can carry. The TurnOnSport Survival Compass is lightweight at only 0.04 kilograms and features a 360-degree rotating bezel, making it easy to stay on course. It's waterproof, designed for durability, and comes with a 30-day warranty for extra assurance. With a built-in map scale of 1 to 24,000, it's ideal for pairing with survival maps or topographic charts. Whether you're hiking, camping, or in an emergency, this compass helps ensure you never lose your way. Number 8. Survival Map. Technology can fail, but a reliable survival map never runs out of battery. Carrying a detailed topographic or regional map of your area can be a literal lifesaver, especially when GPS devices or phones aren't an option. Maps provide an overview of terrain, water sources, trails, and landmarks, giving you a clear understanding of your surroundings. Combined with a compass, a survival map is one of the most fundamental tools for outdoor navigation and preparedness. Number 9. Chuang Mylar Thermal Blanket. When temperatures drop, staying warm becomes a top priority, and the Chuang Mylar Thermal Blanket is designed for just that. Made from durable Mylar material, this blanket reflects body heat to keep you warm in cold environments. It's waterproof, compact, and lightweight, weighing only 0.52 pounds, but expanding to 84 by 55 inches when opened. Whether you're caught in a storm, stranded outdoors, or adding it to an emergency kit, this blanket provides reliable insulation while taking up almost no space in your pack. Number 10. Fiskars X7 Hatchet. For tasks like chopping wood or building shelter, a hatchet is invaluable. The Fiskars X7 Hatchet combines strength with portability, weighing just 1.4 pounds while delivering excellent cutting power. It features a carbon steel blade with a 5.12-inch edge, perfect for splitting small logs and kindling. The wood handle offers a comfortable grip, and the hatchet comes with a lifetime warranty, making it a long-term investment. Compact yet powerful, this tool is ideal for survival situations where reliable chopping strength is essential. Number 11. BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. Staying powered up in the outdoors can be a challenge, but the BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank provides a smart solution. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, it supports USB-A, USB-C, iOS connections, and Qi wireless charging, giving you multiple options to keep devices running. It's built with a waterproof silicone exterior for durability and includes dual bright flashlights for added utility at night. Lightweight and portable, this charger harnesses solar energy, making it a dependable backup power source when electricity isn't available. Number 12. AUGASON Farms Survival Foods. In any survival situation, having a stable food supply is crucial. The AUGASON Farms Survival Foods Kit offers 200 flavorful servings with a total of 37,000 calories. It's designed for long-term storage and can be prepared easily. Just add water, with a cooking time of 12 to 15 minutes. With a variety of options, this kit is ideal for emergency preparedness, camping, or extended outdoor trips. It ensures you have the nutrition and energy needed to keep going when other food sources may not be available. Number 13. REEBOW Military Tactical Backpack. Carrying your survival gear comfortably and securely is just as important as the gear itself. The REEBOW Military Tactical Backpack offers a 40-liter capacity, giving you plenty of room for essentials without being bulky. Built with 600 by 600 density fabric, it's both durable and water-resistant. Features like double stitching, heavy-duty zippers, utility cord pulls, and side and front compression systems make it tough enough for demanding outdoor conditions. At just 2.82 pounds, it balances strength with portability, making it an ideal pack for survival and adventure. Number 14. GlowMind Emergency Glow Stick. Light can make all the difference in survival scenarios, and the GlowMind Emergency Glow Stick provides a simple, reliable option. Each stick delivers 360-degree illumination for up to 12 hours and comes in a waterproof, non-toxic, non-leaking design. Sold as a 12-pack, these glow sticks are perfect for signaling, emergency lighting, or nighttime visibility. Lightweight and maintenance-free, they're a handy addition to any survival or emergency kit. Number 15. TECEUM Paracord Rope. No survival kit is complete without rope, and the TECEUM Paracord Rope is built to handle demanding tasks. With a line strength of 249 kilograms, it's strong enough for a variety of uses, whether setting up shelter, securing gear, or crafting tools. Made with a nylon core, it's UV and abrasion resistant, with a thickness of 5/32 of an inch. At just 0.15 kilograms in weight, it's light to carry yet incredibly durable, making it a versatile must-have for any survival situation. And that wraps up my list of the 15 best survival gadgets on Amazon. From medical kits and fire starters to tools, shelter, and food, each of these items plays an important role in keeping you safe, prepared, and ready for the unexpected. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more outdoor and survival gear recommendations.